Morning students of class 10th, welcome you all in this video. In the previous video we have discussed the summary of From the Diary of Annie Frank, which is an extract from Annie Frank's diary. Now we will take line by line explanation. Writing in a diary is really a strange experience for someone like me, not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musing of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Now, when she has written diary, at that time she was only 13 years old, and she didn't imagine that anyone would write this. She said that it was a very strange experience for someone like me to write diary because she had never written it before, but because after that it became very interesting, and she feels like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest because she could not digest all things, all incidents. So it became necessary to write the diary. Now, paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying no one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Brooding means thinking. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff bag notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably wouldn't make a bit difference. Now, according to her, paper has more patience than people. Very uh, important line, because if we write something on the paper it will not tell anybody, but if we will ask we will tell our experience to anyone or anything to anyone, it may be that he or she would tell to someone. So she had more confidence that, on paper, that it will not tell to anybody. When she felt depressed, sad, and sitting at home with my chin in my hands, when she felt lonely at that time and listless with no energy of interest, at that time she was thinking whether she should go out or to stay here. Finally, she stayed there, and she was thinking that paper have more patience, and I am not planning to let anyone else read this, because at that time she didn't think that anybody will read the diary. It probably wouldn't make a bit of difference. Now I am back to the point. Now, she said, she is returning on the topic that prompted me, that inspired me to write the diary. In the first place, I don't have a friend. The reason of that is that she didn't had a friend. There are so many friends or relatives, family friends, but she had no close friend to whom she could share her secrets. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. It doesn't mean that she is alone in the world, because she has loving parents, 16-year-old sister, and about 30 people she could tell friends. She had a loving family of aunts and a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. I can myself to talk about anything, ordinary things, but she could not describe, she could not tell what is the secret, so it needs to write a diary. Unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the diary. So she decided that she would write diary. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down. Jot means write down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. But I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call to his friend Kitty. Now she called it Kitty. Kitty is the name of her diary. So she decided that she will write all the facts in the diary the most people would do. Generally, most of the people like to write the diary, so she also decided that she would write a diary and she named it Kitty. Now see, questions. What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for any friend? Any things that neither she herself nor anyone else will be interested in reading the ideas of a 13-year-old girl. Apart from this, she had never written anything earlier. It also makes her think that writing a diary is a strange experience. Second question is, why does Annie want to keep a diary? Annie does not have any close friend whom she may share her intimate views. Therefore, she wants to keep a diary and treat it as a friend. Next question, why did Annie think she could confide more in her diary than in people? She believed that paper has more patience than anything else. It means that her diary could prove a very useful medium to express her views. So, she thought that she would confide more in her diary than in people. Thank you, students.